The Great June Uprising Unity Day 2019 is being observed at Kekrupat, Imphal to commemorate the 18 martyrs who laid down life in protecting territorial boundary of Manipur on this day, June 18, 2001. Thousands of people from different communities of the state are participating in the annual event, paying floral tributes to the martyrs at Kekrupat Memorial Site. 2 Jaish-e-Mohammed militants and 1 soldier have died in an ongoing operation in South Kashmir's Anantnag. As per reports, a fierce encounter started early this morning at Maharma village in Anantnag's Bij Behera when a joint team of the army, police and CRPF launched an operation against hiding militants. 1 soldier injured in the initial exchange of fire was shifted to a Srinagar hospital where he succumbed, the report added. 2 of the around 10 army personnel injured in a car blast in Pulwama succumbed to their injuries in a Srinagar hospital today, reports said. Militants detonated an improvised explosive device fitted in a vehicle at Pulwawa's Arihal around 6 p.m. on June 17 when an army patrol was moving in the area. Around 10 soldiers were injured. Second SDAU Trophy 2019 7A Side State Level Village Open Football Tournament organized by Social Development Athletic Union Tekcham kicked off yesterday at Tekcham High School Playground in Thoubal. Altogether, 22 teams are participating in the football tournament. In the opening match, Kakching FC beat Ayanglaima Tentha by 3-0. Assam Rifles seized 168 bottles of illegal foreign liquor worth ₹1 lakh from Ganesh Gate at Indo-Myanmar border on 16th of this month. The Assam Rifles team recovered the foreign liquor from 2 individuals, namely Nahakpam Rishikant Singh and Thokchom Gunamani, as per sources. The cloudburst in Sikkim triggered torrential rain in parts of the state, and at least 60 tourist vehicles have been stranded in North Sikkim yesterday, an official report said. Due to rainfall, many vehicles got stuck between Lachen and Gematri. Efforts are underway to evacuate the stranded tourists first to Lachen and then to Gangtok, possibly by today if the weather becomes clear, the report said. The third phase of Mizoram Kailon Business Plan Contest and E-Summit initiated by the government of Mizoram in partnership with IIM Kolkata Innovation Park was launched by the Chief Secretary of Mizoram, Lalun Mawiya Chaungo in Aizawl. Mizoram Chief Secretary Lalun Mawiya Chaungo, who is also the chairman of Mizoram State Entrepreneurship Development Monitoring Committee, launched the program at the Aizawl Club yesterday. Railway and revenue authorities from today began a major operation to raise down unauthorized structures and encroachments near the MRTS railway station in Velacheri, Tamil Nadu. According to reports, a huge tract of land was acquired by the state government a few years ago and handed over to railway authorities to set up a railway station under the Mass Rapid Transport System in the area, which has been under the railways and the Railway Protection Force till date. A Christchurch businessman who shared a video of worshippers being slaughtered at the New Zealand mosque has been sentenced to 21 months in prison. Philip Ubbs had earlier pleaded guilty to 2 counts of distributing the video, which was live-streamed at Facebook by a gunman on March 15 as he began killing 51 people at 2 mosques.